Role of octet rule. In the beginning, the octet rule helped explain why atoms form bonds, predict reactivity. But with more research, octet rule is not always enough to explain all bonding types. Summary: atoms form bonds to lower energy and become stable. Stability is achieved by completing outermost shell. Octet duplet rule gives basic idea. Metals tend to lose, nonmetals tend to gain electrons. Some modern bonding theories go beyond the octet rule. Types of bonds. We shall consider three types of chemical bonds. Ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond. What is an ionic bond? A chemical bond formed by the complete transfer of one or more electrons. Occurs between metals which lose electrons and non-metals which gain electrons. Atoms do this to achieve stable noble gas configuration. Formation of sodium chloride. Sodium has atomic number 11 and electron configuration 2, 8, 1. Chlorine has atomic number 17 and electron configuration 2, 8, 7. Sodium loses one electron to form sodium ion. Chlorine gains one electron to form chloride ion. Electron transfer in sodium chloride. Reaction. Sodium loses one electron to form sodium ion chlorine. Gain one electron to form chloride ion. Both ions combine to form sodium chloride. Both held together by electrostatic force. More examples of ionic compounds. Sodium fluoride found in toothpaste. Sodium bromide found in ocean water. Potassium chloride found in ocean water. Calcium fluoride found in strong bones. Magnesium fluoride found in Earth's crust. Formation of calcium chloride. Calcium loses 2 electrons to form calcium ion. Each chlorine gains 1 electron to form 2 chloride ion. Reaction is given